In this video, I'm going to show you how to add blur in Adobe Fresco. Now, there's probably a bunch of different ways to do this, but I'm going to show you one right now, which I do think is the easiest and quickest to set up. So go over here to the left and you want to click on this tool, which is called the smudge tool. And then whenever you do this over here, as you can see, it's going to pop up like a bunch of different smudge brushes. So you can, of course, select whichever one you want. I'm just going to go and click on it like that by default. Okay, so when you click on it by default, like this, it's going to pop up a few things over here. So what I'm going to do here is first change the brush size. So you can change it to whatever you want. Of course, depending on how big of a blur you want, I'm going to make it bigger, just for example, like this, around 230s. Then you have to go to this one over here where you can select the strength. So if you go like to max, it's going to have like a lot of blur. But if you go to like maybe like below 20, it's going to have just a little blur. Now you can also go over here and select the smoothing. So I'm just going to make it like 6 or 10 or whatever. And then down here you have a bunch of different more settings. But of course, really the ones that are important are these three over here. So whenever you do this, you can then go ahead and test it. So if I go and start blurring, I actually have to convert this. If you haven't started blurring, there you go. As you can see, I'm now actually blurring the image using the smudge tool, okay? Of course, you could go and use smoothing to be 0 or 1 or whatever, and you can change the strength over here as well, because I do think this is a bit too much for me right now. And you can go and change the size of your brush as well, and you can just start the blurring process. And as you can see, this is actually blurring our image over here. Now, yes, I do know this is the smudge tool, and it may distort the image a bit, but I don't think it is too big of a problem. You could also go over here and change like the angles, the smudge spacing. You could do like a bunch of different things, and as you can see, if I change the smudge spacing, then there pretty much won't be any moving of the image over here. Okay, so if I go back over here like this, and if I go and change this to 0, there we go, I can now go and use it, and as you can see, there's very little wobble, and it's basically not even distorting the image. Okay, it's just blurring it. So if you want like to blur a bigger portion, of course are gonna have to put the size to maybe like max or close to it, and you can just go and blur it like this. Okay, but this looks a bit weird. Haven't really taken the time to do it, but you get the point. So that's how to add a blur in Adobe Fresco. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.